So if you are a founder, CEO, executive in tech, what you think you're doing is trying to convince everyone else that your company has the best product, it is the best tool. Now, there are a lot of tools out there. I can go into Home Depot and buy top-of-the-line tools for every single task I need. I can get the most expensive bandsaw. I can get the most expensive die cutter. I don't even know. I don't know too much about Home Depot's tools, but I can buy the most expensive tool, right? Top of the line. But now here I am in my garage with a bunch of tools that I don't really know how to use, right? What I should have perhaps thought about is hire somebody who knows how to use the tools, tell that person the job that I need to get done, and then have them pull the right tool out of their tool belt to get the job done for you. So Dr. Teri loves to remind us that the most magnificent machine ever built by humans is not a bandsaw, it's not a computer, it's not even a car. It's the company, the ability to get people to work together, right? So in your emotional toolkit, right? In your toolkit, you have a skills toolkit and an emotional toolkit, right? The skills toolkit, the technology toolkit, will always grow and always change over time. But your emotional toolkit is what you have at your disposal to build a fantastic company. Your technical toolkit will help you build a fantastic product. But one of these cannot exist without the other, right? And by really internalizing that lesson, it can also help you better sell your own product. Instead of just fighting to differentiate your product, you can also remember that what you need to sell is the ability for your customer to use that tool to solve their problems, right? It helps you develop empathy and often sell better.